One of the most profound learnings that I have learned here, the bigger the goal, the bigger the challenge. And with the greater challenge comes the bigger risk of failure. I'm thrilled to share my experience of first day in PIBM. One of the most profound learnings that I have learned here, the bigger the goal, the bigger the challenge. And with the greater challenge comes the bigger risk of failure. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone. We are responsible for our own failure and it's up to us what we learn from them. To achieve success, we must break our thought patterns. Instead of reacting to the situation, we should start to respond them thoughtfully.
And it was for the first time ever in my life that I have spent 12 hours continuously in an institution, fully engaged and energized. I did not feel fatigued at all, and I feel privileged to be a part of such a wonderful institution.
On the very first day of BOP, Dr. Naresh sir taught us that how anything is possible if we have the wills in our mindset. He also explained us that how PIBM will shape us in the coming days. We also had corporate sessions where we learn valuable insights into the business world. We also learned from our chairman, Dr. Raman Preet sir, that if we fail in our life, it's all because of us and no one else's. He also told us about the importance of having a goal in our life.
So before entering to this college, I have always dreamt of becoming an entrepreneur. And after listening to what our chairman sir has to say, I think I am completely ready to choose my career as an entrepreneur. We had an insightful session with some of the profound leaders from across the business world, which has shaped my vision as an emerging business tycoon. And I'm so happy about it.
So in this great BOP session, we got a huge opportunity to meet with some experienced corporates and some great personalities. As our chairman, Mr. Raman Preet sir, has motivated us to make a strong physique, because a strong physique has a strong mindset.
Before joining PIBM, I had lots of doubts in my mind. How is my journey going to be? How will the faculty be? Will my peer group be supportive? And how is the opportunities gonna come? But after the first day of induction, all my doubts were cleared. I was happy as I entered the college as the environment was very positive and aspirational.
On the very first day of our BOP, we had the session with our chairman sir, which motivated us with the lines of Swami Vivekananda. Live an idea, eat an idea, breathe an idea, which provides us the energetic power to prove ourselves and the commitment towards our goal.
The most inspiring aspect for me was learning to prioritize, become passionate, and not to worry about what others think. There were corporate sessions that enlightened us with the importance of hard work and determination that we all need to achieve success.
Before arriving at this college, I was filled with apprehension about everything, the environment, the teacher and the students. Coming along here without my family to drop me here, I was filled with fear about everything. But after coming at this institution, within just 1 hour, my all those fear vanished. The warmth and the friendliness of the faculty members and inspirational speech by the corporate guests made me feel like I have belonged to here from a long time.
Session by an eminent personality, Dini R. Patel sir, who told us the importance of communication and how do we need to communicate with the outside world and as well as the importance of communication in corporate world.
I also learned that we should learn from our mistakes and move forward rather being succumbed by it.
Arise!
Awake!
And stop not till the goal is reached.